Hello friend. It's me, Boon. What's your name? Ah, that's so cool. Do you know what this is? Let me go closer from you. Yeah. Do you know? Yeah, it's a popcorn. Hey, I got an idea. You take a picture of the popcorn. Take a picture, please. Come on. Oh, did you? Wow, that's so nice. Ooh, this popcorn is white color and some orange. I think we should learn about popcorn today. This popcorn. Do you know what popcorn looks like? Yeah, it looks like a bull with a sheep. That's so silly. And do you know what this popcorn looks like? Yeah, I think it looks like a bee. Wow, that was so much fun learning about this popcorn. If you want to watch more of my videos, all you have to do is search for my channel and share it and subscribe it and search for my name. Do you know my name? Yeah, it's Boon. B-O-O-N. Boon. Okay, bye-bye.